After recording from my first site, I'm going to push the switch button. We have started recording. This is a different site. The potentials are not very optimal. I'm going to change my sweep to 500, from 500 microseconds to 1 millisecond, so I can see the potentials better. These are the windows that are placed automatically. This is where you can see the quality of the recording. The rise time is shown in green bar, indicating the rise time is less than 500 microseconds. Here is the graph of interpotential intervals. Because of this notch over here, I don't particularly like this recording, but I think it's good enough for demonstration purposes. I think I have collected sufficient data. I'm going to push the switch button, and my second pair is analyzed. Once again, qualitatively, I can see very little variation in the interpotential interval, and the jitter over here should be normal. I'm going to push the switch button so that we will start recording from the third site. We have a nice pair. I'm going to change my trigger level. Change my time base. Very nice recording. And anytime I change the trigger level or the windows or any setting, this window is being drawn again. So for example, I'm going to change my trigger level. Notice it restarted the calculation of interpotential interval. I typically like to get about 150 sweeps, and then I will stop analysis, rather stop acquisition. As soon as I stopped, I see nice distribution of interpotential intervals. There are some red dots over here. We will look at their significance when we actually start the analysis. I can push the switch button and start my next recording. So this is the way you make recordings in the Viking EDX or Viking Quest system. As I indicated earlier, you can do the analysis online or you can do it analysis offline, as illustrated in other videos.